Have you tried growing mushrooms in foam containers at home? You can buy mushroom seed embryos that have already been incubated in a barrel like me. Seed supplier has already prepared all the ingredients to grow mushrooms. Remove the package and follow the mushroom growing technical instructions. The box of microbial mushrooms has been incubated for 20 days. Add more microbial soil to increase nutrition for the mushrooms. Work is very simple. You just need to spend a little time to do it. Peel off the soil bag and put it in the pot. Just mix the soil, then spread it evenly on the surface of the container. Just relax and exercise your arms and legs. It feels very fun. After completion, remember to spray the soil surface with a layer of water, enough to keep it moist for the following stages. Then, cover the surface of the box with plastic and use the lid to secure it. After 14 days of opening the lid, baby mushrooms had grown. Thank you for watching video. Wish you and your family good health. Always happy, smooth work, always happy. Remember to like and follow and comment. Share the video for many people to know to help me. Remember to turn on the notification bell to see our feedback